RETROCENGO here. How are you all doing? Today we are going to look at a box in a box, but this box is a special box. Well, for most of you it's just a box, it's junk, but for some people that really likes boxed Amigas, then this box is just the holy grail of boxes. Now, why am I filming this box? That's because I love to document everything retro computing and have it on YouTube. Now, this box is really special because this box contains another box. Actually, it was made to contain two other boxes. Look at this box. Look at this, guys. Amiga 1200. And it was checked down here. It was the HD model. I mean, look at this, guys. This came from France, and it had this inside. And as you can see, these boxes they shipped out with from Commodore. They could actually have two Amiga 1200s in this box. Isn't that nice? I mean, it's not every day you find one of these, guys, so I just want to film it and have it on YouTube and share this with you guys. I like this stuff. Not because I'm a box collector, nothing like that, but it's just nice to have it on YouTube, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this box in a box video, and I will see you on the next one.